Hey guys, and welcome back to Laws of Physio. In this video we're going to go through a quick exercise that I give to people after an ACL surgery. So this is a patient of mine. He is currently 1 week after getting his ACL repaired, and this exercise is to help get him comfortable with stretching his knee. So on a skateboard, all he's doing is putting pressure through his foot, and he's going to try to straighten it as much as he can and bend it as much as we can. So the important thing after an ACL surgery is you do closed chain exercises, which means that you constantly put weight through your leg and you don't let it dangle in the air. This will prevent you from injuring and snapping that ACL or that surgery that's been done. And this helps to activate the muscles while also stretching the knee. I got him to do about 20 reps before having a rest, and we did about 3 sets. If you don't have access to a skateboard, you can do the same thing by putting a tissue or a towel on some tiles or some hardwood floors, and again putting pressure through the leg and controlling the movement.